Here we have problem number 35 from chapter 6. In this problem we have a charge, we have to find basically electric flux through shaded area, okay, which is a blue shaded area. Okay, now how can we solve this problem? To solve this problem we have to think carefully before solving such a problem, and think how can we find electric flux that is passing through electric flux on a shaded area. Okay, now so I think we can do like this one. First of all, we can imagine that this charge is sitting in the center of the cube. Okay, in order to make it we have to draw additional cubes, exactly same cubes. Okay, okay, right now I just drew only 4 cubes actually. Okay, but however, in order to imagine that our charge is sitting in the center of the cube, then we have to draw 8 small cubes. Okay, so now first of all let's think that if you try to combine 8 cubes, okay, if you try to combine 8 cubes, then you should get a whole big cube. Okay, whole big cube. Okay, it's going to be something like, it's going to be a whole big cube, and our charge will be basically sitting on the center. Okay, now if you consider it like this one, then you can say that total electric flux will be equal to the charge enclosed inside the cube divided by epsilon naught, right? But however, this big cube has to be divided into 8 cubes, okay? Because we considered to find what is electric flux that is passing through this small cube, first of all, okay? This small cube. So that means in order to find electric flux that is passing only through small 1 cube, then what we have to do is basically we have to divide this total electric flux Q divided by 8 times, okay? Then you will get electric flux that is passing through 1 cube, okay? But however, if you look at carefully, then you can see that in that small cube, in some sides will have 0 electric flux. So which sides can have 0 electric flux? Try to think. Okay, now let's check your understanding. So electric flux that is passing through this side will be equal to 0. Okay, and what else? Which side can have electric flux which is equal to 0? Again, this side will have electric flux which is equal to 0. And finally, we can say that this side will have electric flux which is equal to 0, right? So that means there's only 3 sides left. In order to find electric flux of shaded blue side, what we have to do? We have to divide by 3. So that means we can say that Q divide by 3, and since we'll still have this 8 times, multiply to epsilon naught. So that means electric flux that is passing through electric flux of the blue shaded area will give us Q divided 24 times epsilon naught. So this is the answer.